dark skin try. So what hair colors actually suit our dark skin? What kind of hair colors do you think suit our skin? Anyway, before we proceed, let's do a quick unboxing of this hair that I got as a birthday present. It's from Lima Hair, I think. Yeah, Lima Hair. Okay, what hair colors do you actually think suit our dark skin? As a dark skin girl, I usually just gravitate towards black. All my wigs are black, and this is just how it looks like. Oh my god, straight out of the package and everything. This is a brown hair, and I've been wanting to try out like different hair colors on my dark skin, to be honest. I know, okay, as dark skin girls, we are always like, okay, we don't want like really shouty colors and everything, so let me take this baby girl off. Fresh cornrows for new hair. I think this is 16 inches. Yeah, I'm going to put it on and you guys will see it. 16 inches hair. I don't know what lace this is, but this is okay, I think they wrote it here. This is a 2x4 closure. Yeah, I don't know if this is a 14 inches. I think this is a 14 or a 16 inches, but it looks like a 16 inches hair. Oh my god. So just think, it's very tight, to be honest. Like, it's tight. Somebody cannot just grab this hair away from your head like just like that. It's really tight, and I have a very small head, so this is just really perfect for my head. It's not slipping off or anything. Okay, this is what it looks like. What do you guys think about this hair color on my dark skin? I'm going to properly cut off this lace, so we're going to use this big scissors to really cut it out. I'm going to go and cut it off camera so I won't ruin the hair. Big influencers, they make this thing look so easy. Take it from me, it's not easy, but I think I did a good job cutting. Okay, so this is the hair. What do you guys think? I've not straightened it. This is just straight out of the package. I'm still going to straighten it when I'm ready to rock the hair. But let me know in the comment section, would you guys be trying out this hair color? I like it. What do you guys think? I'm still receiving a birthday gift too, so send in your gifts, okay? Oh my god, you guys, I actually really love this hair. Like, I just love how it makes my dark skin look really chic. And bye guys.